Sharing air with others is cause for concern. We know it, we don't like it. Now with ActivePure Technology, the shared air can be purified in real time, just like it happens in nature. ActivePure is a patented advanced photocatalysis technology. It works by creating and propelling molecules into the air in a room, which quickly neutralize pathogens everywhere. ActivePure molecules work by destabilizing the shell of a virus, bacteria, or other microscopic contaminant to destroy its living environment, turning it into harmless byproducts. ActivePure technology is designed to use the law of gases to carry its neutralizing molecules into every nook and cranny, in every space. The law of gases is the reason that the smell of microwave popcorn immediately spreads through your entire home. These odorless and invisible ActivePure molecules fly through the air from our portable ActivePure products, neutralizing pathogens in the air. ActivePure is very different from other technologies that take a passive approach and require that the pathogen be pulled into a filter, UV light, or PCO mechanism. ActivePure doesn't wait to see the pathogens are captured. It neutralizes them in the air you breathe and on the surfaces you touch. ActivePure can deliver measurable results, giving you the peace of mind to know that you are providing an important layer of protection for your indoor spaces. Available in over 70 products, ActivePure technology is used in hospitals, state houses, and other shared facilities across the world, and is proven by science and validated by multiple third parties.
Thank you for watching. To get more information and your free protection kit online, please visit www.activepureprotection.com and or call Keith Scheafer at 541-912-2211.